Hey folks, it's Kristen with the Halfhill Auction Group, and welcome to another video tutorial. This is going to be showing you how to register, create an account for online auctions. So first off, you need to go to your web browser. Currently, I'm using Google Chrome, and we'll type in the web address, which is halfhill.auctioneersoftware.com. From here, that takes you to our home page. You can see that we have a few tabs going across the top. Current auctions, which would lead you to anything we have coming up. Past auctions shows you anything we've had in the past, and a little About Us tab where you can click on each one of us and read a little bit about our team. Okay, so from here at the top right-hand corner in the blue, you're going to see a button that says Login Register. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to come down here to the bottom and click on Register. From here, this is where you're going to be creating your username and password and information regarding your account. So let's choose a username. You can make it anything you'd like. And you'll notice that if you pick something and it's good, no one else is using it, there's going to be a green check mark right here at the top. If there's a red X, that means that username is already in use and you need to pick something different. Now from here, you can select a password and type that in. And then now you're just going to be filling out basic information. And a phone number. Currently, we do not have the text notification feature set up. We are hoping to, in the near future, get that set up and going. We think that will be beneficial to our bidders, buyers, clients, everybody. So that way, if you're outbid, you can receive text notifications on your phone. But currently, we do not have that set up, so you can skip that step for now. And now you're going to be putting in your address. All right, and your zip code, city, state, and the country. Now, down below this, it actually is asking for your shipping address. You can leave that checked if it is the same as your billing address, which we've just entered, or if it's something different, you need to just uncheck that box and you can type in a different shipping address that you'd like items shipped to. So we're going to leave that selected right now. Our next step, all right, is now this is where you're going to have to put in your credit card information. So the deal with the credit card information is we're basically just proving that you're a human. There is a little thing up here that says a temporary authorization of $1 is going to be placed on your card just to verify that it is a real credit card. You will not be charged. You might see it showing in pending status if you log on to your bank account, but usually within 24 hours it's dropped off. So you can give your card a name. I'm just going to put in that's Kristen's card. Here's where you're going to start entering in your credit card number information, expiration dates. There's the CVV code, which is typically found on the back side of the card. Make sure that your name matches what you have listed on your card. And make sure that you do have the correct billing address listed. Sometimes that can throw people off. All right, and so now we're going to the next step. Now I just got an error validating my card. I've had this before in the past, so I'm going to just click that little X, make that go away, and I'm just going to come down here again and click on next step. Somehow it bypassed it right away. All right, so now these are the terms and conditions of the auction. So this is a blanket terms and conditions regarding bidding with Halfhill Auction Group and the auctioneer software. So you can read through this. Once you have done so, click the I agree to the terms above button, and now you can click submit. All right, and that should be the end of it. Now you have a complete registration. Welcome to the Halfhill Auction Group. Enjoy bidding. You're going to receive an email from us coming from halfhillauctions@gmail.com, so you might need to check your email to verify your account. Sometimes those emails can go into your junk or your clutter, so make sure that you check for that there just to be on the safe side. And you can always add us to your address book, and then that way you won't have to worry about missing any notifications. So once your account is complete, you can go up to current auctions, and whatever we have going on, you can click and get to bidding. Please let us know if you have any questions about registering. Again, you can reach us at halfhillauctions@gmail.com. Thanks for going through the video with me.